Hey everyone, and welcome to Oddly Useless. Today, we're sailing into one of the world's greatest mysteries to uncover the real truth about the Bermuda Triangle. So what is it? The so-called Bermuda Triangle is a patch of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly marked out by Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, it's been blamed for swallowing ships and planes without a trace. But here's the first surprising fact. Despite its spooky reputation, the U.S. government doesn't even officially recognize it. There are no special maps, no warnings for pilots or sailors, because officially, there's nothing extraordinarily hazardous about it. This legend of vanishings really took off in the mid-20th century. But when journalist Larry Cush decided to investigate these stories for his book, The Bermuda Triangle Mystery Solved, he made a stunning discovery. He dug through official records and found that many of the most famous incidents were either wildly exaggerated, completely misreported, or in some cases, flat-out fabricated. Cush concluded that the number of wrecks and disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle isn't statistically higher than any other heavily traveled, storm-prone area of the ocean. The mystery, it turned out, was mostly just bad journalism and exciting storytelling. So, if it's not a paranormal vortex, what can explain the real losses that have occurred? Well, the answer is a lot more logical, but just as powerful. At first, this area sees an immense amount of air and sea traffic. More ships and planes mean statistically more chances for accidents. Second, it's located in Hurricane Alley, a region notorious for sudden, violent tropical storms that can whip up the seas and challenge even the most experienced captains and pilots. Finally, you have the Gulf Stream, which is essentially a massive, fast-moving river within the ocean. Its currents are incredibly powerful and can quickly sweep away any wreckage, making it seem like a vessel simply vanished into thin air. So what's the bottom line? Is it a portal to another dimension? Alien abductions? A devil's triangle? Science says no. There is zero credible evidence to support any paranormal activity. The myth of the Bermuda Triangle persists simply because we, as humans, are fascinated by a good mystery. It's a captivating story. The next time you hear someone call it the most dangerous place on Earth, you can tell them the real story. It's a combination of heavy traffic, bad weather, and human error. It's a far more mundane explanation, but it's also the truest one. If you found this debunking interesting, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me next time for more oddly useless knowledge. Thanks for watching.